I remember from about the age of 5 till about 10, wanting one thing in particular for Christmas. It had to be Christmas because my birthday was a week later in January, and there was never enough money left over for anything other than socks, gloves, or new boots for the winter, or maybe a used pair of skates. Every November, the Christmas catalog would arrive, chock full of years offering all the new toys, most of which had already been depicted non-stop on TV for about the day after Halloween. I'd have that catalog dog-eared within a week, and I'd leave it lying around where my mom could see it, open to the page showing my heart's desire. The Lionel tree set, complete with all the accessories. I could picture myself excitedly opening the package, setting it all up in the basement on a huge table, complete with a town of my own, built along the tracks. There's a number of companies making train sets for me, but it had to be the first one I laid eyes on in a hobby store, one by Lionel. It was a huge setup around the whole store, its big black locomotive pulling about 40 cars to a miniature town surrounded by farmland. So Lionel train it had to be. As much as I tried to get my old parents to buy me a Lionel train set every Christmas and birthday from about 1960 to 1965, I failed. But my attempts had not gone unnoticed by my mother. On my 34th birthday, my mother invited me to lunch, and when I got to her place, the table was already set. She asked me to grab a seat in the living room, and then she disappeared into the kitchen. Instead of bringing in the cake I'd expected, she came in with a wrapped parcel and a card. She asked me to read the card first. So I opened the envelope and found these words. "Happy birthday, son. We always wanted to get you the tree set you wanted all those years ago, but we could not afford to. Love, Mom." I opened the present to be greeted by my very own tree set, complete with village and water tower. My mom explained she searched all over for one, finally coming across one at the yard sale, looking like it had never been used in its original box. Been well over 30 years since that day, and I still have that train set. I decided to set it up this Christmas, put it under the tree, like I did a few times when my kids were little. Well, my kids are all full-grown adults now. I'll pack it away again. Who knows, maybe next Christmas, Lord willing, I'll put it up again.